قبل مرام قبل قابير from Ethiopia. From Tigray. Tigray is leading now. Huh? Tigray is leading now. In the world the best. Oh, ho, ho. It's a good message. قبل قابير قبل مرام. Be to it. Yeah, a new country, Tigray regional state from Mekelle. Mekelle is the capital of city in Tigray regional state, Adwa place. Yeah. Oh my goodness. Everybody, ladies and gentlemen, now is ready for that. Oh, wassalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Shukran Qatar. Yes, Ethiopian. Tigray. It's a nice country. Oh, government Malayam. Between Kenyan. Oh my goodness. Oh, assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Ya salam. Ya salam. Government Malayam. Between Kenyan. Wait a minute. The last 5 minutes. 5 minutes is a lot. Oh my God. Oh, yes, salam, yes, salam. Yeah, now is life is doing now this project. Life the best in the world. Oh my goodness. He's from Arua Mashana place. Yeah. Oh, salam, salam. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Shukran, Qatar, Qatar.